Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I want to show you a die that I bought off of Amazon. It is the kscraft pumpkin dies, and I will put a link to this, but there are so many. Let me show you. I'm going to show you examples in just a minute, but these are the pumpkin shapes. There are so many pumpkins in this die set, and they're all these different shapes, and I want to show you real quick. Those are the big ones, of course. Good. And then here's the smaller ones. But I'm going to go through all of them that I made today. Oh my goodness. Here's a smaller one. They are so stinking cute and so worth it. Okay, so I will put a link in to my Amazon for this die, so you can, if you decide you want to get it, you can. Just understand that I am an affiliate, so I do earn a small commission if you purchase it. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through these. Let me move these over real quick, and we'll just go through these one at a time. I just got out all my scrap paper and a couple of solids and went to work, guys, and just cut and cut and cut and glued and made these. So, and then the back of it's just regular scrap paper, 65-pound weight paper. But look at that. That was just a scrap I had left over. And it has all those words, and it actually has pumpkin, which is so cute. And then that. Let's go through these real quick. They are so cute. And just, plain 65-pound paper on the back side. I use Michael's. Probably the Spice Collection is what I used. Okay. And then look at this shape. How cute is that? There's a prince again. And then here is a different shape. I just love them. I think that's Sunflower Market from Echo Park, or the other Sunflower collection. It was just left over and I used it. And then here's the last of the big ones. Very short and wide pumpkin. They're super cute. And the polka dot. I just grabbed all my scraps and went to work. And then here's a little bitty one. So I think they look, these are small. They're maybe 1 inch. Very, very small. And you'll see some of the same papers. But that plaid one, I love the plaids. Okay. I love all of them, but there's a polka dot one, another plaid, and that's just an orange shimmer. And there you go, those. They're so small and so cute. Okay. Okay. And then I still have several more. They mimic the big ones, obviously. But I love this collection. So you could actually take these pumpkins and stack them on each other and make it like a pumpkin topiary for a card. That would be super cute. See? And there's so many different ones that you can really have fun with them. Let's see. Here's one. But look how cute. You put a, like, one of the, those would be cute. Anyway. Yep, you could do a pumpkin topiary with your paper. But anyway, this is super cute, and I just thought I would share something I made today. You guys take care. I'll talk to you later. Bye.